time for Greece, baby.
We got it.
Alright, so suddenly we get a few days off and we decide, let's travel. And we ended up flying to Greece.
着きました。到着しました。アクロポリスです。
And we did what you'd expect. We visited Acropolis, the ancient capital on the hill.
They said they still act here, right?
Yeah, they still use this place.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's so impressive that we can see so far from this point here.
Mountain to mountain. That's a good part of not having the highest building.
So they have ruins everywhere. Like here they're renovating some sort of columns. Here we can see all of Athens.
Yes. Look at this top corner if you can film.
The top corner.
Or one Kentaurus and one human is fighting.
Ah, that's so nice. I like it. We had some delicious souvlaki. And we went to a Greek island. It was only a 40-minute flight from Athens. It must have been one of the shortest flights I've taken in recent memory. We went to beautiful Paros. Paros was a paradise. Paros was especially a paradise for cats. Cats, cats, and more cats. But all of this felt a little typical for people traveling to Greece. We wanted to see something more, something unique, something you can only see in Greece. So after a little research, I came upon a place I had no idea could exist. Meteora Greece. What? What is this place? It looks like something out of Game of Thrones. Is this really a real place? I needed to see it to believe it. Fortunately, it was no more than 4.5-hour train ride from Athens. As the train drew close, we got our first glimpse of the towering cliffs. This place does indeed exist, and we are here right now. Okay, we just arrived at Meteora. This place is unbelievable.
Crazy.
You have no idea how high up we are right now. This high spot. どうも。
すごすぎる。
すごすぎる。めっちゃ高い。このモノステルめっちゃ綺麗もう。It's easy to climb down at least.
そうだね。
4 monsters. 1 2, 3, and 4. 4 monasteries in one shot. Cool, so now we're just driving around between photo spots, taking some photos of this crazy mountain range.
着いたよ。
ここはどこの？
最後のモナストリー。
最後のモナステリーとここは女の人だけ nuns, only nuns live here, which is quite remarkable. Beautiful monastery. According to the guide, some of these monasteries are so hard to access. It took them 3 generations of monks to build them, just getting the material all the way up on the cliff. It's incredible what mankind can build in the name of faith.